In this video, you will learn how to access the digital edition of the New York Times. If you are outside of the library, you will need a library card to access our online resources. As a Fresno County resident, you can get a free library card by visiting any of our branches or online by registering for an e-card. To get started, you will need to go to the library's website at www.fresnolibrary.org. Once you reach the homepage, hover over the Browse tab and click on Online Resources. You'll be directed to our list of online resources arranged from A to Z. Scroll down and click on New York Times. Before you can access a current issue, you will be asked if you are inside or outside of the library. For this demonstration, we will be using the Offsite option to get to the current issue of the newspaper. Click on Offsite. If you are accessing this resource from outside of the library, you will be asked to provide your library card number. If you have any issues, please contact 559-600-7323 and a representative will review your account to confirm it is in good standing. Once you click Login, you will be redirected. If you by chance get this screen, please click Ignore and it will take you on to the next screen. If this is your first time, click on Create an Account. You'll be given several options. Select the preferred option and click Continue. You'll be asked to submit details to render your pass. Click on Other Non-Academic and then click Sign Up. You'll be prompted to start your access. Click Get Started. You'll be asked to choose newsletters that might be of interest to you. If you wish to bypass this, just click Maybe Later. Finally, if you wish to download the app, select Read in App. Otherwise, select Read in Browser. Now you should be on the front page of the current issue of the newspaper. Just a reminder, when your 24-hour access runs out, simply follow the same steps. There is no limit to the number of times you can renew access. You can browse the home page, or you can browse by sections of the current issue of the newspaper. This is how you access the digital edition of the New York Times through the Fresno County Public Library. If you have any questions, please call 559-600-7323 or email elibraryhelp@fresnolibrary.org. Enjoy!